Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a wiki with Google Sites. Whether you're building a personal portfolio, an educational wiki, or a small business site, this method gives you a quick and efficient way to get online without needing any coding skills. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and publish your own site. To get started, open your browser and go to Google Sites by searching for it or entering sites.google.com directly. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see options to either use a template or start with a blank site. For full flexibility, select a blank site so you can design everything based on your own needs. Click on Create to open a new project, which will take you to a clean workspace where you can begin building your site. Next, start adding content using the Insert panel on the right-hand side. This section allows you to add text boxes, images, and layouts by simply dragging and dropping them onto your page. You can easily organize sections, adjust formatting, and structure your content in a way that looks clean and professional. This makes Google Sites especially beginner-friendly while still giving you enough control over the design. Another powerful feature is the ability to integrate other Google services to enhance user experience. You can embed links, Google Docs, Sheets, and slides directly into your site, which is useful for adding detailed content or interactive elements. You can also upload images like products, projects, or branding and easily adjust their size and placement. If you want to customize the overall look of your website, you can use the Themes section, which is located on the right-hand side of the editor. Click on the Themes tab to explore different design options available for your site. Each theme comes with a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and styles that instantly change the appearance of your entire website. You can click through the available themes to preview how each one looks in real time, making it easy to find a style that matches your content and branding. Once you've selected a theme, you can further personalize it by adjusting colors, font styles, and formatting options within the same panel. This allows you to maintain a consistent design across all pages without manually editing each element. You can switch themes at any time without losing your content, so feel free to experiment until you find the best fit. Using the Themes section effectively helps give your site a clean, professional, and visually cohesive appearance. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.